Meaning of dopiaza.
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 Dopiaza. Dopiaza is a type of South Asian curry dish that literally translates to two onions in Urdu, the national language of Pakistan. The name refers to the use of onions in two different ways during the cooking process. First, a large amount of onions is fried until golden brown and then added to the curry as a garnish. Second, a smaller amount of onions is cooked until translucent and added to the curry as a base. This gives dopiaza its distinct flavor and texture. The dish typically includes meat or vegetables, spices, and a tomato-based sauce. It is often served with rice or naan bread.